Hi everyone, Audrey from Off-Leash Canine Training here, and I've got Oakley. He's a 10-month-old Goldendoodle coming to us for our 2-week board and train program. On day one, this guy actually came into training knowing a few of his basic commands, as he did go through our basic lessons package a few months back. So his owners were able to train him in and around the home, the neighborhood, in some parks, but he really did struggle with the distractions. He's a very timid guy, so he does get scared in new situations. So a lot of stuff out and about in the stores were really new for him. So he would be kind of timid, want to always be in your feet, try and be a tripping hazard to you, to where he'd just run into you and just be scared and kind of cowl down a little bit. So we definitely built up his confidence quite a bit during the 2 weeks. So let's see how he did on day one. Let's take a look at him just a short 14 days later. Good boy, Oakley. Good boy.
Hey guys, Tom here, Off Leash Canine Training. I just wanted to take a quick moment to personally thank you for taking time out of your day to watch one of our many transformation videos. If you liked the video, if you were impressed, go ahead and give it a like. If you'd like to see more videos like that, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you're notified whenever we do upload a video, which is almost daily. Feel free to head over to Yelp, Google, and our Facebook pages to see our many hundreds of 5-star reviews. And if you have any questions, hop on over to our website, westcoastolk9.com, or give us a call, 844-955-6559. We look forward to training your dog, and I'll talk to you soon.